さんこんにちは、みかんです。Today we're going to learn how to make negative sentences in Japanese. Along the way, I'll introduce a simple conversation where you can review affirmative and question sentences we've studied so far. Do you remember the affirmative sentence, N1 は N2 です that we learned before? Let's try turning it into a negative sentence. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is add じゃない to the sentence. Here's where it goes. For example, the sentence 私は日本人です。私は日本人です。I am Japanese becomes 私は日本人じゃないです。私は日本人じゃないです。I am not Japanese. じゃない is commonly used in spoken Japanese. There's also ではない、which has a more formal tone and is often used in writing. In negative sentences with nouns, you can also use じゃありません、or ではありません、For example, the sentence 私は日本人です。I'm Japanese can be replaced with 私は日本人じゃありません。私は日本人じゃありません。私は日本人ではありません。私は日本人ではありません。Both expressions sound formal and slightly stiff. In my experience, じゃないです is more commonly used in everyday conversation. If you have time, try to remember these variations as well. Now let's review with some example sentences. Listen to this short conversation. おはようございます、みかんさん。わー、すごい。クッキーですね。これは、うさぎですか？いいえ、それはうさぎじゃないです。じゃあ、ゾウですか？いえ、ゾウじゃないです。あ、犬ですか？はい、そうです。Now let me explain. わis used to express surprise like wow in English. すごい means amazing or great. Cookie means cookies. In Japanese, there are no articles like a or the, and the word stays the same for both singular and plural. The phrase クッキーですね means those are cookies, aren't they? The particle ね adds the nuance of aren't they. For example, 簡単ですね means it's easy, isn't it? What does これはうさぎですか mean? うさぎ means rabbit. That's correct. The English translation is this a rabbit? Here's today's key phrase. いいえ、それはうさぎじゃないです。いいえ、それはうさぎじゃないです。いいえ means no. それ means it. And うさぎ means rabbit. To make a negative sentence, you just add じゃない to the affirmative sentence. Simple, right? Next. じゃあ、ゾウですか？じゃあ、ゾウですか？じゃあ means then, and ゾウ means elephant. The meaning is, then, is it an elephant? In Japanese, subjects are often omitted when it's clear from context. いいえ、ゾウじゃないです means, no, it's not an elephant. Finally, あ is used when you suddenly think of something. 犬ですか？犬ですか means, is it a dog? はい、そうです。はい、そうです means, yes, that's right. Did you get it? Let's wrap up with a quick quiz to practice making negative sentences. あれは学校ですか？あれは学校ですか？いいえ、学校じゃないです。いいえ、学校じゃないです。彼は歌手ですか？彼は歌手ですか？いいえ、歌手じゃないです。いいえ、歌手じゃないです。今日も動画を見てくれてありがとうございました。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。それではまたね。